we focus on every niche, but we found out that primarily specialty coffee shops are the niche that were the most insightful to work with and the ones that need our product the most. But for example, right now our biggest customer is the one that we closed this week is Hertz, and it's car rentals. So nothing related to coffee, but our Instagram page and our initial strategy was primarily based on coffee shops.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Could you tell me, please, how many clients do you manage right now under your brand?
Yes, right now we have 19 brands that are actively paying us every month, and that represent moreover 100 venues. And we also have 12 other brands that are in active free trials. Active free trial, we say that it's a trial that it's longer than 14 days, but
Mm-hmm.
we are like paying the $15 of the sub account to help them like have a month or two or free to generate customers in order to decide if they want to pay.